how to buy public token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. And as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 21 hours ago and increased by 4,000% in the last 24 hours. This token trending number 12 in the base section. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address and open your Bitget wallet. For that, go to your wallet and select the base as a network from here. As you can see, I click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. Now click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet and go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added called public. So after you find it, what you need to do, just click on it as you can see here, and now click on swap, switch from here. And as you can see, switch from here from the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDC, and make sure that you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now here type how much you want to buy, and here we'll be able to see how much you receive, as you can see on this token. Now here click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy public token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.